guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in Zoho mail account. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, firstly here you have to go to the Zoho apps first. Make sure that you already have an apps. I'm gonna tap on it to open it. And then to log in, just tap on the sign in. And after that, just tap your email or your phone number. Here I'm gonna type my email. After that, I'm gonna tap on the next. Now in this page, you just have to type your password. Here I'm gonna make it sure by tap on the eye icon. After that, I'm gonna tap on the sign in. And yeah, it's done guys. You already logged into your account. So I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.